Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Viva Engage and go to your profile or the community where you want to post. Tap the Start a Post field to begin composing your message and set the tone. You can type up to 4,000 characters and use it mentions for people or hashtags for topics. Use the audience selector to choose public, community, or private visibility depending on your goal. When your message looks ready, click Post or use Schedule to set a specific date and time. Enhance your Viva Engage post by attaching files, images, or video to support your message. Attachments can be up to 20 MB each, and you can upload multiple photos to illustrate a point. Create a poll to invite quick feedback and add link previews for articles or resources. Tag colleagues with mentions to notify contributors and add alt text for images to improve accessibility. Always preview the post before publishing to confirm formatting, media display, and link behavior. Follow best practices to build trust and engagement in Viva Engage communities. Post consistently, aiming for 2 to 3 quality posts each week in active communities to maintain visibility. Keep messages concise, use clear calls to action, and write a respectful tone that follows community guidelines. Monitor post analytics to learn what resonates, and edit or delete posts if you need to correct information. Respond to comments promptly to encourage discussion and cultivate ongoing collaboration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.